Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
Brother was enjoying watermelon. Sister was bringing water. His friend called from a window for cricket. Kindness and friends make moments sweeter.
Let's meet with new sounds. Let's do actions with me.
I see the clouds moving, wah wah wah. I see the kites flying, wah wah wah. I see the trees bending, wah wah wah. The wind is blowing strong.
Every object has an initial sound. Like
Water, window, watermelon. Water, window, watermelon. Dear kids, what do you know about watermelons? What is the taste of watermelon?
see you in the next lesson.